heat gun. Sorry if I burned you. We're replacing a Allure piece. Traffic Master Allure, sold only at Home Depot. This is not sponsored.
It's already installed.
Oh, battery saver's on. Let's go.
Alright.
Move you
Jammed
this
a
hand.
hole.
Yeah. This hand is blocking
Jammed a
the
hole
view.
so I can get in underneath it.
Heating this up, keeping it moving. Don't force it. Okay.
Yeah, and then we gotta come across the top.
Got it. Be careful though, Chad. That method, I think, will jeopardize the glue strip underneath.
I got to get...
So I think you need to be more fluid.
Yes, dear. Ow, ow, ow,
Oh,
burning.
sorry. I'll direct the heat away.
This thing is getting like...
Okay, is it too much? You need to shut it off now? Okay, good. It's coming out nice. Do we need to warm up this part though?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you always want to keep your hand under because it'll just reglue itself. Do you want to use that tool and put it under so you have your hand?
Burning.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Looking for the tips, Laura.
You know, that's what I'm here for. Whew. And we're getting close to where the damage is. Oh, damage one.
Okay, heat.
Oh, okay, move your hands.
Oh, man, I have to hold this up.
I just have the heat gun on low too.
It's a little crazy.
Good, is it moving? You need heat. Okay, stop. Move your hand. Okay, try again. Yeah, so that damage is from plumber's glue. Because this is a vinyl floor. And we didn't do it, a plumber did it.
Finally, a job I didn't do.
Well, you didn't do wrong.
Yet.
Well, let's not say that. Let's knock on faux wood. Okay, you need more heat.
Yep.
Okay, putting it on low. And I taped around on the good just so, like, if the scraper does... Oh, backing.
With the heat.
Okay, yeah, okay. If it does slip, it won't hopefully mark. Okay, move your hand. Sorry to bark at you.
Yeah, we're working. I'm sure it has been happening before
Good.
in the build of the tiny home.
I think we want to keep this intact. Okay, stop. And you want to preserve the seam that's joined to this piece and the other two pieces that butt up. So this is, you gotta just be, you want to, you know, take your time, don't force it. Like, I think I need to heat it more. So move your hands, please.
Just kidding.
Should be good. Yeah, it really doesn't take long. Okay, careful, because like the corner you wanna. Okay, stop here. I'll heat it. Heat it.
It's pliable enough, though. That's.
Yeah, but remember, we wanna. Sorry, we wanna preserve that beautiful seam there, because that's where the new piece will glue back onto. So.
Well, I've been trying to do some.
Okay, so can you get this under now? Oh, we need to heat it more. Don't make me sing it. Move your hand, please. I don't want to... It's not like a hairdryer, folks, okay? This shit burns. Burny. See? You put your hand right there.
Okay, I think we gotta tackle this side and heat it and pull it out and then deal with this after.
No!
Because it's underneath this. Don't.
So I'm gonna leave that there then. So we don't want it to glue back down. But you're suggesting what?
We have to get this side, pull it out, the piece,
Yeah.
so we can work that side out. Because it's underneath.
Oh, is that?
Yes.
Okay, listen, if this video dies, we're sorry, but our phones are on minimal battery, so we're gonna try to get this whole piece out while the battery is still good. Heating her up. Move your head. I'll get something after I heat this. We're talking about like blocks to hold up the sticky adhesive we've already separated. Okay, hang on here, please. Because I think you need to use your tools, Chad.
I can use this.
Here's your tools now available to you.
Thank you.
And I'm going to show everyone what we're using to hold up the cleaning system as deodorants. That's right.
Multi-purpose, multi-use.
Multi-use. Not sponsored by Earthwise. Okay, what are you doing here? Because you're kind of going...
I'm just working with
I
the
need to
section
heat
you
it up,
gave
I
me.
think. Can you move your hands? So
Just-
now on this one, it's a little different, right? So you need to preserve the other strip, which this piece is under. So we can't break what's under the green here, or we've effed another piece. So I'm gonna heat it up, babe.
Yeah.
Heat it up. So getting nice and, oh, careful.
Okay, back up. It's getting
Okay,
too
sorry,
hot.
okay. Shut it off, man.
Move phone.
Okay.
What do they call that in...
We're doing a running shot here. Ooh. Okay, so this is where it gets a little dicey because I think you need to fold this in on itself if you can.
I can't yet.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna heat it up again.
Overworking.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it on the camera, and it's obviously the depth is
Well,
off.
don't do that. You're gonna burn the floor.
Calm down. I'm also a director, filmographer.
If you can't do more than one job, well,
Oh,
I need.
the scraper. Yeah, so we have a couple different tools going. We're using a chisel and a really fancy mechanic type chisel.
It's a gasket scraper.
Gasket scraper, folks. And then a typical like wallpaper putty scraper. Are you able to bend it yet or no?
I'm working on that.
Yeah, I think it's got a way to go. Let me heat her up again. Yeah, it's good. I can see it pulling. Now, does anything need to go under here to hold it up? Here.
Is there any of the top paper that we have for for the new piece?
Oh, I know what you're speaking of.
I just came up with that one, folks.
It's like a parchment
Can you-
paper.
Rip.
Here, how about I make like a little ball?
Oh, I just need it flat so I can
Oh.
cover the piece.
My bad. My bad.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then this way, this part won't stick to the floor. It's a delicate process. Another one.
It's like the absorbent rags.
I feel like you're changing a diaper for some reason.
No.
Okay.
Okay, I think we have a break.
Okay, wait. Needs heat. I'm very good at heating.
A situation. Back up.
Yeah, it's not wanting to move. Yeah, you're good. There, it's coming. It's coming free.
Why are you?
Can you just slide it? You look fine on this side to me.
I know, but it's.
Whoa. Okay, this is why. So can you break it now?
I can do this.
And at least get it,
Origami Master can fold anything.
including a 20-pound piece of vinyl. I don't know. I don't know if that's how you rate vinyl, but it's pretty thick. It's pretty.
It's not 20 ton.
Whatever.
Just to say, our cranes at work only can take 3.5. Okay.
Does this need to be heated up
Yes.
again? Let me move your hand. I just heated
I
up.
do use the heat gun to put on vinyl stickers. Like, I am understanding.
I know you're a pro.
But I don't jam it right up my hand.
Well, the good thing is we're about halfway through the plank. And the other good thing is we can just put in a full piece plank. We don't have to cut and try to make everything exact. This piece we're taking out is a full piece right out of the box. So there's a lot worse places the plumber could have dropped some goo. Okay, well, I can see it needs heat.
Then heat.
Heat it up.
Oh, I got my arm in the sticky.
You saw in the background there, Chad couldn't free his arm. Oh.
This is new territory for me.
It's new for all. Well, now, see, look at
Yeah,
it. This
I
is
see.
where it's joining.
Just wait.
I'm just gonna peel it back
Sorry.
where that piece abuts two pieces, so there's two corners to worry about. Nice job, honey. Nice job.
I am not a flooring technician.
Oh no, you are. Look at you go.
This is not going to be my.
Your technician. You can't speak. But I want you out of this zone. This is making me very nervous.
Heat it as I'm doing it.
Making me very nervous.
What's nervous about it?
Because there's two corners there that are delicate and very vulnerable. Oh, including the phone
Can you move the
stands.
camera?
I can, hang on. Listen, documentation is very important.
I understand, but also doing the job
Right,
is
because
important.
now we're going to teach hundreds of thousands of
Can you
people
get more paper, please?
how to do this in detail. Paper. If you could see Chad's face, it's rather comical.
It's in disbelief.
I don't like this
Just
because
leave
it's
it.
warping it up a little. It's making me nervous. Can we tape this down so they're less vulnerable?
Yes.
Yeah.
Gosh, heat.
Move your hand. Look at that devilish spot.
I am looking at the devil.
Oh! Huh. Yeah, there's a certain finger going up right now. Okay, is it
A
normal?
special thing.
Please be careful, okay? Like we're in, look at folks, we're in the home stretch here.
Well, let's get there and not get excited and ruin the whole ordeal.
Hold your breath, folks. Very good. What do you need? You need this part heated.
I gotta come out of here quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your feet are the stars of the show.
Yeah. Full of cat hair, I think.
Oh, make it sound like we're not clean.
Oh, balls.
Okay. Heating.
I need to know what I'm doing here.
Well, I think you need...
Sorry.
Oh, the scraper just flung up. I'm sure you saw that. It almost nailed my... Yeah, I think you need to come this way now. I will hold this
No,
out.
I gotta use this.
No, but see...
I have to see.
But you go by this. You no, stop. Stop what you're doing right now. You need to come at it from this angle. Please listen.
It won't lift up. Look.
Stop it. What are you doing? Are you telling me this goes underneath?
No, I can do it this way. It's perfect.
Okay, good.
So what I did is I just peeled the piece that we're replacing.
Yeah.
I peeled the two sections apart. The top part of this is damaged anyway, so that way I don't damage this piece.
Okay, well now you're getting me over my head because do you need more heat? I feel
Not at this moment.
Oh my god, like I'm literally chewing my fingernails right now.
Now that I'm there.
You need more heat, I'm telling you. Thank you for listening. In the home stretch, look at it.
Do the green tape. Stay in the green lines.
Oh yes, there's many jokes that can be made.
Okay, back up with the heat.
Backing off with the heat.
It's almost like I've done this twice.
Just please, like the corner's so vulnerable. I know. Do you need me to reheat this section?
Like I deal with gaskets for engines. I do.
Yeah, but we've never done this before.
I have
so...
never done this.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, we need to stick that. Make sure that doesn't stick down. Sorry. We got
Oh
excited.
shit. Yes, protecting the seams. And this paper will not stick on anything, so very good. Okay, get this out of here now.
Just wait.
Get this horrid...
Holy Christ.
So there it is, folks. That's how you... Definitely a two-person job. To
Yes.
do a full piece in the middle of floor. So there was actually a little section by the baseboard that we didn't need to touch, and then the full piece started. Alright, so all we have to do is lay it in. And done. This is the new piece here. So what we did is we just used the heat gun and several hands to lift this seam underneath first, and this one, the corner seam, this one first, and then that one. And I just heat it up, and it helped really make everything flat and adhere beautifully. So there's the corner. I mean, great job. So this flooring's, it's resilient flooring. That's Chad and I's first time ever changing it, so I think we did. I think it took maybe 30, well actually I timed the first one. I think it's just under 20 minutes to remove a plank. And then it was less than 3 to put it in. Anyway. Yes.